Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 6th, 2022. We're going to talk about Moderna today and how it got a boost, meaning in its stock buy recommendations. We have Goldman Sachs with a buy rating for Moderna. Are they right? What is their price target? Will the market actually run into their price target? Will it fall short? Welcome everyone. I'm going to talk about that today. I am here to give you all what the price chart is reflecting in terms of where it's about to go, so you all can be in position. You don't have to be scared, you don't have to be nervous, because I got you. I'm going to show you what my expectations are for Moderna. Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Where's price going to go? You got so many people out here with their opinions, but they don't plot it on the chart, because then they'll come back and say, it didn't happen. I didn't expect that to come through. I didn't see that. This went on. Oh, okay. But one thing I want you all to realize and understand is that the chart is telling us the truth. What you're looking at right now in front of you is the actual truth as to what people have done, what they did. It's the truth, whether or not they bought or sold Moderna. So if we have Goldman Sachs on one end of the spectrum telling us that it's a buy, then we should be seeing the market in Moderna go up. That is the outcome that we need to see reflected on the chart. So if you all appreciate my videos, my content, go ahead and hit the like button. And also subscribe to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because I do not want you all to miss out on my videos and my content. Because what I do is I prepare ourselves for the market moves so that we can make money. That's it. I want to show you all this. So look at this. Before I go into the article from TipRanks, look at what I talked about on my last video for Moderna. All right, I always come back and show you what happened in the market versus what I thought was going to happen. So here it is. I was looking for the market in Moderna to ride up to ride up higher anyway. Right, my last video was on May the 29th, okay, which is right here, and I was coming through and say, hey, it looks like the market is trying to move higher in Moderna. Now, granted, here it is today, July the 6th, and the market hasn't gone up yet, except for what happened yesterday. See? Right there. We are finally hitting some profitable areas within my price prediction. Finally. All the way from May the 29th, all the way to today. Now, one of the things I wanted to show you all and teach you all is that even though the overall market move in Moderna hasn't gone anywhere, we got the confirmation that our original intentions of seeing the market go up was confirmed here on June the 13th, 14th, and June the 16th. The market buyers maintained that area of support. See, I was already positioned there. So even though we were down 18.5% on those days, you should have held firm, because the buyers confirmed that they were still positioned there. See, the market gives you how you should be moving, how you should be acting. Because if the market buyers were not positioned at $120, then we would say, all right, cool, we got to cut the play, because the buyers didn't show up. So why do we need to show up? But they did. That's why the market in Moderna is now trending higher and now within our price target. So now we're good. So we can see that maybe Goldman Sachs may actually be correct in their buy recommendation for Moderna. Because if they wasn't buying, then the market possibly could have fell below $120. Maybe they bought there. What do you think? This is the article right here from TipRanks. Okay, you guys can see it. Goldman Sachs likes these two beaten down stocks for triple digit upside. Okay, triple digit. So here it is right here. This is Moderna. Okay. And you all can see that Goldman's Savine Richter's bullish thesis about Moderna. He is anticipating a meaningful recovery. The analyst has a buy rating for the shares backed by get this, $290 price target. That's an upside of 147%. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. This man has 147% upside in the market for Moderna, $290. Now, overall, you guys can see the overall analyst consensus rating is out of the letter rate. It's a moderate buy. Average price target is 215. Okay. The highest price target is 506. Now, let's get back to the chart because Goldman Sachs has 290. Okay, let's see what 290 is. And I want you all to look at how much restriction the market would have to go through just for it to run up 86%. Okay, from where the price currently is yesterday, because this article came out June the 13th. Okay, so 86% run up. Is it possible? It's possible. But look at this. There's a couple of areas in the market that Moderna will have to break above in order for us to really see that run up. The first area I've already identified is around 180 to 190, $200. We got 220, 240, 260. Like all of these areas that I've just numbered are areas that sellers are positioned. Now they usually give out 12-month price targets. So he's looking for the market to run up to 290 in the next 12 months, right? But take a look. We are on the right path, right? But for it to hit 290, it's going to be a rough go at it to me. So what we're going to do from our perspective is that as long as the market continues to show us that it wants to go up, then we'll continue to ride the market up. But as we go up, we are going to be taking profitability on the way up. We're just not going to sit and wait until the market actually hits $290, right? So let's go ahead and look at this on a different vantage point. 2-day chart. You guys can see that I'm still looking for the market in Moderna to go up. See, like right now, it wouldn't be nothing wrong with coming in and taking some profitability out. It wouldn't be. That's 6% right now. But given what we've seen, I still think that the market is really trying to go a lot higher than that. This is it on a 3-day into the market in Moderna. So I still suspect that we're trying to reach to that 180, my ultimate TP price, which is 22%. 180, 190 as well. And what I'm telling you all is that you're seeing on the news, so many people give me varying opinions, and this is about to go down. Is Jerome Powell going to impact? Are we in a recession? Inflation, interest rates, what? But the market is always moving. Money is always on the move, and look like in Moderna that they're trying to move this market up higher. It's already here. So we don't have to wait until what Jerome Powell says. We don't have to wait until whether or not the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates. We don't have to wait to determine whether or not we're in a recession or not. The market is already moving. These hedge funds, these investment banks, these financial institutions, they have to be prepared. They got to get positioned to weather what's to come. And as they do that, we're seeing it in real time off of the price chart. That's how you're able to participate with them right along. So that's why I'm not going to change my price predictions in Moderna. I still see that the market is trying to go up in price. So we're going to continue to go forth and hold tight and let the market run up. That's it. See, it wasn't hard. I didn't go through no fundamental analysis. I didn't go through Moderna's booster shots. I didn't go through their books, their revenue, their earnings, nothing. Because they have already done that. The insiders, the banks, the hedge funds who are invested in this stock, they've already done it. Because before they pull the trigger, then best believe they need to go ahead and do the research. It's simple. All right, I'm done. I'm not going to change my price, but I'm going to continue to go forward with what we talked about all the way back in May. I'm just going to extend this out a little bit further, give the market time to run up. That's probably one of the hardest things for us, is that we don't have a time clock, right? We know that we're on the right path, but the market, sometimes it takes a short time to move up. Other times it takes weeks to months. And this is a play that's going to take weeks to months. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts, your perception as to what you think the market is about to do. Moderna, do you think it's a buy? Do you think it's a sell? How high do you think the market's about to go? And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.